Pokemon Go was the biggest mobile game launch in history with a giant real world map, GPS points, AR, and the map didn't come from Niantic. It actually came from a Google project that flopped, got canceled, and the same team just dropped Pokemon on top of it. So the actual sequence of events here was Niantic Labs started inside Google in 2010 as an internal startup focused on real-world AR. In 2012, they launched a sci-fi game called Ingress where people walked around capturing portals. And then Niantic quietly built a database of hundreds of thousands of real-world endpoint waypoints as people captured those portals at real landmarks. Then Google, they spun Niantic out in 2015, and then they partnered with the Pokemon Company in 2016 and launched Pokemon Go. So the PokéStops and gyms in your neighborhood are mostly pretty much the same Ingress portals, but with a Pikachu skin on it now. And the reason why they did this is because building a globally curated, location-verified map of interesting real-world spots from scratch is brutally expensive. And Niantic had spent 4 years building exactly that, paid for by a tiny but obsessive game. And so when Pokemon Go launched, Niantic didn't need months to seed every city. The map was already there, and the Ingress era looked like a failed game, but it was actually a giant unpaid data labeling effort that funded the next product. It's kind of solving that cold start problem.